Hello, my name is Eve Thompson. I'm a student from Hope Page High School, and I'm going to teach you how to use the spelling and grammar function. First, you take a look at my document here. Under this word, I have a red line. This means that I have a spelling error. If you don't know how to spell this word correctly, you can go to the spelling and grammar function. The spelling and grammar function helps you use correct grammar and spelling while typing your document. To get to the spelling and grammar function, you need to go to the Review tab. If you look at the top of my screen, you see different tabs: the Home, Insert, Design, Page Layout, References, Mailings, Review, and View. I want to go to the Review tab, so I am going to click on the word Review and go to the Proofing group. You are going to click on the spelling and grammar icon, and it will bring you to this right here. You can either choose to ignore the spell check, or it will show you different options on what it thinks you're trying to spell. Once all of your spelling and grammar is correct, Once all of your spelling is correct, it will check to see if you have used incorrect grammar. If you have, it shows a blue line underneath the misused grammar. Once your document has all the correct spelling and grammar, it will tell you you're good to go and you can finish typing your document.